It's back again. The 2024 Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle is ready just for you. This bundle is all raw, all vegan, and all brand new, never before released content. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to add more raw food to their life. You don't even need to be vegan or raw to enjoy everything that we have for you in this bundle. With over 30 brand new and never before released pieces of content worth over $800, this $50 bundle is a treasure trove of raw inspiration and creativity, a one-of-a-kind collection of raw food creators from around the world contributing their own unique ideas, flavors, and food artistry. It's more than just a collection of ebooks too. It's an opportunity to excite your taste buds, learn new information, get re-inspired, and nourish your body with the most vibrant and delicious raw recipes out there. Every year, the bundle is different, with new content to help you move towards a healthier and more vibrant life. As with every year, we have also created the annual Collector's Edition group collaboration ebook, where we all got together to contribute our favorite recipes. The theme for this year is low-fat desserts. With over 25 recipes, this is a must-have for any raw food dessert lover. But it's only available in this bundle. It will not be available for purchase at any other time after the bundle, so if you like to collect and you like desserts, check it out. Scroll through this website and get a glimpse at all the unique contributions to this new raw vegan bundle. From hundreds of fabulous recipes to things specific like yoga, mindset, self-love, busting cravings, how to travel as a raw vegan, raw pregnancy, birthing, healthy kids, and so much more. So, over 30 brand new ebooks worth over $800 for only $50. Are you serious? Why are you guys doing this? Is there a catch? Well, there is one catch. This incredible bundle is only available once in 2024 and only available from May 1st to the 12th. We want to provide all of our brand new content for you as a super special to get started and re-inspired. We will sell all of this new content separately after the bundle is over, but you won't be able to get all of this content all together for this low price ever again. This specific collection for this price is unique to this event only. Once you click the Buy Now button and pay, you will get an email link sent directly to you to download all of the content. If you don't get that email, please send us an email at blessings@ultimaterawveganbundle.com and we can help get that email to you. You then have 1 year to download all of the content, so please do so in a timely manner. Once you download the content safely onto your device, you have access to those files indefinitely as long as you keep them safe. We recommend backing up your files in an external drive, USB stick, or you can put them on the cloud like Google Drive or Dropbox in case anything happens to your main device. Don't forget, we also have the live bundle event happening right now too. If you click on the top right-hand corner of the screen on the website, it says the 2024 live event schedule. If you click on that, it'll bring you to a page with all of the live events. You can click on any of the dates to expand and see who is going live, where, and what topics will be discussed. So you can arrange your day, ask questions, and learn more from all of us who are part of this event this year. You don't want to miss out on this unique opportunity to get your hands on everyone's brand new creations. Some of the best out there, so what are you waiting for? Click the link below to purchase the 2024 Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle and start experiencing the incredible flavors and joy of a raw food diet like never before. Get the 2024 Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle today before it's gone.